Tricks that will surely help you in affiliate marketing. Getting into affiliate marketing is a great move for the business person who wants to make some extra income. You must put time and effort into your venture in order to succeed. These tips will help you to make a success out of your affiliate marketing business and start earning the profits that you seek. Take advantage of press releases to boost your internet marketing efforts. Using a press release is a great way to raise awareness about your business and to reach new customers. There are a number of online distribution networks available for sharing press releases, making it easy to announce newsworthy items related to your business. Only choose to work with companies that offer current statistics. You want to be able to keep up with all the methods being used to bring in sales. Data that is out of date may not give you the accurate information you need to adjust your methods to the ones your customers use the most. A lot of people receive their tasks through email, which can waste time if handled poorly. Saving important assignments to Notepad or Word documents will save time and make your effort more productive. That way, you have all the important info together in one file. Focus on building your content, not just your links. Without a good content strategy, you won't be successful. People aren't coming to your site to find affiliate links, they are coming for your content. Whether that's reviews, previews, or you just talking about your day, that's what they came from. Keep it up to date and keep new content coming. Use the tips and advice that were published in this video to help you in your journey to affiliate marketing success. Take the time to absorb all of the provided information, and apply it to your business plan to find the profits that you were seeking when you started your business. Do you want to know how to leverage the power of a sales funnel to generate $100,000 in a month? I have great news for you. Today and today only, you can access 1. A free full course on the secrets of a sale funnel. 2. A free book on how to generate traffic for your offer. 3. Start to use my software for free to create your own affiliate program. Click the link below to start.